I'm going to start from the big shape, not start from the top. At first, I'm going to draw the area that I'm going to paint the painting, like over here. Just a small painting. So I'm going to put the blue color on the top over here first. This corner, the big area. Okay. Now, I'm going to also put, there's a big area, have yellow color. I'm going to put the yellow color right over here. And you may be thinking about, oh, I see nothing. It's just colors, very abstract. Exactly, we're starting from abstract. You see this color, just the yellow color, doesn't really cover the blue color underneath. We need some white color to help, right? Over here, have some color like this. And on top over here, have a little orange color. So I'm going to take a little red color, mix with the yellow color. But it's too dark. I'm going to take a little white color. Here you go. Now I'm going to have a little color, a little orange color. You see how easy to getting the different colors like that. Now, still, let's keep it going. Also over here, I have a little orange color. Right over here, like that. I want you to only looking at the colors. Anything that you paint is not a mountain, it's not a cloud, it's not a sun, it's not a person, it's not the water. All you try to see, they are colors, the different shapes. Different shapes include different colors. Okay, now I'm gonna coming into a little bit brush. Now I'm gonna take a little bit gray color for the mountain area. How we're gonna make the gray color? Take a little red into the blue. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna paint this color in here for now. Like this. Just put a little color over here for the darker tone. On this side, have a little bit more blue. So I'm gonna just put the blue color over here. And just the blue. So it's not much about there's two green. So I'm gonna take the blue color outside over here and take a little bit white and maybe too bright. So I'm gonna take a little red color. And now the color is not as bright as just the blue and white. I'm gonna take this color right in here. And also, acrylic colors, after it dried, it looks darker. So you can paint a little bit lighter, it's okay, right? So now I'm gonna put this color right over here too, like that. But on the top over here, have a little bit orange color. So take a little orange color, mix into this color because the sun is making the color look a little bit warmer, like that. So also in here, we got take a little red and orange color. So orange color, take a little yellow and the red together, like that, and put a little color over here. Everything we see, they are colors. They're colors on the top over here. That's the mountain, like this. Okay, down over here, have a little bit more red. So I'm gonna put a little bit more red color over here and coming in like this. And we're gonna try to capture the mood and the color, the light. It's beautiful light. I'm gonna get a little bit more yellow, get a little bit red, get a little bit red. Now I'm gonna come in over here. I'm gonna get a little white color, a little bit more yellow. I'm gonna make it a little bit brighter, a little bit lighter. You see that? This color is the light coming in here. It's beautiful. Okay, that's good. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little dark green color. So how to get the green color? Get the yellow color with the blue, but it's not so bright. And mix a little bit complementary color. The green complementary color, it is the red. And with the red color into it, the green color is no longer that bright. Okay, not so intense. Now I'm gonna put that green color over here, like that. See that this green color compared to that green colors, a little bit kind of going into the blue, going to the gray, a little bit gray, like this. That's good. Now I just cover the color everywhere. You can consider this is abstract stage of the painting. So you can think about, oh, what are the color I want to change? And let's move on to the next step. The next step, which is we're going to adjust the color. Okay. Now let's see. In the middle over here, I'm going to get a little white color, but not just white. I'm going to look at it. I think I have a little bit blue, like that. And I'm going to put it right here. See that? Look like the light is coming through over here, like that. And coming in here, closer to here, I can make the color a little bit thinner. I blend it on the top. Okay, a little bit more white, like this, like that. Now the color getting together very nicely, like this. I do want a little bit more white in here, a little bit more white. Now I'm gonna put a little white color in here, a little white color over here. So make it look more as the light side of the cloud is facing to the, and now little by little, it will look more as a landscape, at the sky. Okay. Okay, now coming over down here, I'm gonna just put the white color over here. It's very bright. Okay, just little by little. And then I'm gonna also put this color with the white color, and then I'm gonna put a little shape onto the mountain, the light shape on the mountain, like that. Just use the corner of the brush, like that. And also on this side, a little bit like this. Okay, a little bit looking for the shape, a smaller shape, like that. Okay, a little shape like that. Are you with me? And we're gonna have a little dry brush. It looks like the mountain, right? Okay, now I'm gonna continue. In the clouds, it has a little bit gray color, so I'm gonna mix this color with this color together, plus a little green color. Now I'm gonna have a little bit of yellow, orange, gray color. Have a little bit blue. Now let's watch. It's a little bit too dark. I'm gonna take a little bit more white color mix into it. You see that? Now we can see the shadow of the clouds. And the cloud, it have some volume, have some three-dimensional feeling. Okay, like this. And coming over here and over here. Now because have some white color in the pins, and now you can cover the blue color underneath. So that's just good. Now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back to use a little bright color for the cloud, just a little yellow color over here. Now need to come back with a little brighter color. Okay, a little bit over here, a little bright color. Okay, you need to have patience. And you say, oh, I don't have patience. In the right class, you're gonna have more patience later with the practice. Okay, like that. So now it's the cloud has three-dimensional. That's how easy. Where you're not making the clouds, you're making the color, a different shade of colors. And I'm gonna just with the corner, I'm gonna one more time, I'm gonna put the light color in here. Have some solid white color. Ready? I'm gonna a little bit more white color over here too. And a little color over here. You can see the white color is showing is the area facing to the sun. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, I'm gonna come down over here, have a little brighter orange color. So I'm gonna take just a little red, a little bit more yellow, right? I'm gonna put it right over here, pretty bright. That is the sun see-through over here. I'm gonna use the brush stroke, like that. Are you okay? like that. Now I'm going to get a little yellow color when it's closer to the sun. So I'm going to take the yellow and with the white color, I'm going to just mix it in here. You see that? How bright is it when you mix two colors directly onto the canvas? Like that. That's just good. Now the last thing I would need to do is use another brush. Now come a little bit closer at the tip. What I want to do, I'm mix some really dark color, but I use the red and the blue color. What I'm gonna do the trees. So you always have something in your mind that is what I'm gonna do next. What's the last thing I'm gonna do in the painting? So you should always step by step. The tree. Are we really painting the tree? We're painting the colors. Right? Like that. A little bit like this. Another tree over here. Right? Like that. And that's good. And the edge over here, I'm going to put a little bit of at the water. And I'm going to keep the grass a little bit detailed. So I'm going to mix these two colors together. I'm going to come back over here, just make it a little bit solid. I'm going to take a little bit more yellow color. A little more yellow. Okay, I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. Sometimes a thicker color, it has a little bit more emphasis. Like that. Maybe a little bit red because of the sun. So I'm going to get a little bit more yellow. Get a little bit red. Maybe a little bit white. A little bit red right on the top. You can see that just a little bit red, the color change. Okay, now the last thing we can do, if you want, you can add the reflection, the water. And what's the reflection look like? It's look like this blue color. I'm gonna coming over here as the reflection. And I'm going to have a little darker color, the red, and with the blue color, here you go. And I have this, the tree reflection, right? The tree reflection down here, and the tree reflection, like that. And maybe have a little bit lighter shape and get a little white color right over here. And take this blue color and from the sky color and put it in the between those. And also in the middle over here have a little bit orange color, so I'm gonna also get a little orange. That's take the yellow and with the red. Now let's see. I'm gonna have a little bit thicker. Sometimes the color need to be thicker, like that. Okay, a little bit, just put the yellow here. A little bit thicker. And have a little red. Here you go.
I have a question.
Yes.
When we were doing our painting, do you use the whole page or?
Yeah. Mostly you use the whole page. And today we just do two things in the same paper. And see that? That is the reflection of that color, right? That is it.